Generations after the millennials, they have less imagination. Gen Zs don't believe in hard work.
No, there's no quick math anymore. Like Ray, 7/8.
I think the problem here isn't the students. It's not us. It's not millennials. It's not. It's technology.
Cricket is my
Cricket? Your favorite sport is cricket?
Got him now. He's finished. Yardman podcast are the one. 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 The Yardman podcast. Tell you about the Yardman podcast. The Yardman podcast.
Wagwan family. Hurricane Melissa has caused devastating damage across Jamaica, as you can see on your screens. Many families have lost their homes, access to clean water, and basic necessities. In response, we've partnered with Next Gen Youth Jamaica to provide direct support from food and shelter to rebuilding efforts. We're calling on everyone to lend a hand, whether it's a donation, supplies, or volunteering your time. Your help can make a real difference. Together, we can bring back hope to our communities. Visit Next Gen Youth Jamaica to learn more about how you can help today. All the links are provided below. Additionally, you can make donations to supportjamaica.gov.jm for the direct donations to the government. Thank you.
Yeah. We need to get the tension out of the room.
Get it
man.
off
Are
your
you
chest,
okay,
man.
Ray?
He needs a hug.
Do you need a hug?
No, man.
No, be serious, bro. No laughing. Do you need a hug, bro? No, sometimes we need a hug. Sometimes I need a hug, bro. It's okay.
It's alright, Ray. It's alright.
Oh, man.
Do you need a
How
hug?
was your week, Ben? How was your week?
Yeah, you okay, Ray?
Bro, my week has been good, man. I'm just happy to live another one. Staying blessed, nothing but the rest. Continuing with, my running and my
He's thinking about the
training.
mile.
Yeah.
Not thinking about the,
The
mile
mile-
right
the
now.
mile
Today is the off.
competition.
Today is an off day,
Yeah.
so
For
I'm
some.
just vibing. No, for me it is. I know this Jesus Day is my day too. Damn it, that's right.
But you've worked today.
Yeah.
I do. I'm working online, but you know what? I get to chill. I get to relax. Get to kick it with the homies.
Okay.
And that's it.
Okay.
You know what
You
I'm saying?
see-
I'm
you see-
good. I'm good,
You know
man.
what? Hold on,
I'm
hold on. Give me a
good.
sec. Hold on.
I'm good, dog. But this dude is ridiculous, dude. This dude is ridiculous, man.
Yeah, we feel better.
Yeah, man.
All
I'm
about
doing
energy
good,
is
man.
gone.
The vibes is good, man. Heading into
Alright,
another
alright.
week.
All right.
Seeing where life takes me, man.
All right, Ray.
That's
We're happy you're happy, bro.
Yeah, I'm happy, man.
Boom. Gabriella, I apologize for that rough
y-
start.
you have to-
know, sometimes the homies they
He
need
just
you
needed
on
to
the-
clear his chest. He didn't need a hug. He just.
Yeah, I think he's gonna cry later. He's gonna cry. But today, people, Davane and my new co-host for the day, because Tonil has been fired, people. We came to a mutual decision that a white woman is better for the podcast than a black Rastafarian man. And we've selected a 23-year-old white woman. So I'm sitting next,
Recently 23.
recently 23. And tomorrow I will be 33. So we are not only distance apart, we're 10 years apart.
Almost 11.
Almost 11 is like just pushing me up there.
Oh, sorry.
I'm 32 now. Tomorrow I'm 33.
Yeah,
And
let him
tomorrow
have his
I'll be
day.
20.
Let him have his
Huh?
day.
Oh! No, you're right. It's 10. It's 10. My bad. Sorry. I'm not good at math.
I don't think anyone in the Gen Z generation is good at math. Have you noticed that, Tony? Like your students have just become more. They're not picking up math the way that we did because we had to line up outside and say our timetables and get our ass beaten. Now they can just put it in their phones.
Hey.
Yeah, they use the calculator. They don't use their hands.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
No, there's no quick math anymore. Like Ray, 7/8. Grace, 7/8. Tony, 7/8.
56.
Okay, so 7/8, 56.
Are you saying 7 times 8?
7 times? Yeah, 7 times 8.
Oh, shit. Bring this crap back.
We do 9 times 9.
Come on, man.
Okay, 9 times 9.
81.
9 times 7.
63.
Ooh. She quick.
Okay, 7 times 7.
49.
Okay, she has a quick mind. She has a quick mind.
Thank you.
You know what? Statistic, that means 40% of us in here no. Tony is in it. 60% of us in this room can do math.
No, what I say, Gen Z, we can still do math. But what I see like today, like I don't know what the generation is now. Their math,
Gen Alpha.
Gen Alpha,
Yeah.
their math is even worse than us.
So it's degrading.
It's degrading. There's no hope.
No.
Can't give up on them just like that.
No. I don't do that. The children are the future for me.
Yes,
The
it's
children are the future. It's just that we're seeing it from a different perspective.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
We look on life on a different lens. But we'll start out with a game, Tonil, so that you can meet my friend Gabriella. She's living in Spain. She's an English tutor. All them things. Tell the people something about you.
What? Oh,
Yeah.
I moved around a lot. I was born in Hawaii.
Ah, you were born in Hawaii.
I was born in Hawaii.
Which part of Hawaii?
Honolulu. Oahu.
Sorry,
Honolulu.
Honolulu. Wow, what
One
a
of the
name.
islands. My parents lived there for 8 years. They moved 3 months after I was born. Still a little upset about it. It's okay.
Well, Hawaiian blood.
Yeah, and my passport says Hawaii. And every time I do something with like the government, they're like, "Do you know how to surf?"
Do you know what I'm saying?
No.
Me?
I'm terrified of sharks, so you will not.
You know, you're thinking about the negative no, man. Come on, positive. This is a positive podcast.
I am. But I don't know.
We just let out the negative energy and you're bringing it
No,
back.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I just had to get it off my
Okay,
chest.
but you're in Spain now. You can take some surfing lessons.
Maybe. I mean, I do want to take. I can swim. I can keep myself alive. But I want to take swimming lessons to become a better swimmer, and I want to do an Ironman.
You want to do
An Ironman.
There's one in Alicante from year to year. Is that one you want to do?
I don't know. Well, my goal is actually to do a marathon in 2026.
You do the Musia one.
No, because it's a double loop. Those ones are really
Because
mentally tough.
Yeah.
I've done the Murcia half marathon. Fantastic. It's flat. It's fast. It was the best race I've ever done.
Where are you thinking of doing your first marathon?
I don't know, but I want to do it next year, probably spring, if I can just get to training. But
You know, that's something that I want to check off my list,
a marathon.
to do a marathon, for real. But then again, this marathon is for like old people, 33 and up, trying to do something to get it off the list. No, but seriously, I mainly reason why I want to do a marathon is to prove that I could do a marathon.
Yeah.
Not for the exercise. Is to prove to yourself. But why else does anybody do an Ironman or a marathon? It's to prove to
up to themselves.
It's the ego,
Yeah.
bro. It's an ego.
No, I don't think it's ego. I would want to believe that you want to see how fit your body is, the age of your body,
You
for
want to
example.
test yourself.
Yeah.
That's what today, like the last few races I've done have been half marathons, and I have not raced like fast paced a 10K since I was 16, and
so
I
now
wanted
you're-
to test myself to see if I can do it fast, no stopping.
Yeah.
Good. I had no time goal, but I was like, I just want to see how much my body can do. And
Yeah, I think that is the ultimate test, the Ironman.
My body is breaking down, bro.
It's not breaking down as fast as you think, Davian. I think when people think about their 30s,
You
they
know
just
my
think about
Do you know my left knee?
Davian. I can introduce you to my right knee. He's been talking to me this year. He's been talking to me.
Bro, when you wake up and your knee is your alarm clock, you hear, it's a different thing. Like, you ever roll out of bed like that? You know? Because you're fresh. I'm talking about my left knee. This is the only reason why I don't even do more running, bro. Because every time I start running, I start feeling
well,
it.
you got to start training for the mile.
For the mile that I'm going to run in 6 minutes. This man doesn't know me, you know, Tony. He doesn't know how competitive I am, you know. If I have an heart attack on the finish line, I will do it. You know, last year I was like, I need to start getting running. So I did like a full physical, and the doctor is like, Lavin, your heart, like it's like it doesn't beat at the normal rate of other people's hearts.
It's slower?
Yeah, it beats slower.
Oh, that means
It beats slower, but it's like at a little bit of an irregularity slow. But she's like, I'm like, can I still run? She's like, yeah, you can still run, but I wouldn't stress it too much. I'm like, you can't tell me that.
the
Like,
doctor
if I'm gonna
The
run,
doctor is
yeah.
The
Huh?
doctor is saving you from a potential beating, brother. That's all the doctor is saving you from. Listen, not even on my worst day you can beat me in a race.
Ooh, wow. The shoe has been thrown down.
You
Not
see the
even
negative energy
on
right
the
here?
worst
Pushing through.
way, brother. All
Okay,
right?
no more mile. No,
Stay
no
in
more
the-
talking about
no
the mile.
miles. No.
Okay,
No.
okay.
Think
in a
steps.
race. In a race.
In the race.
Like a
Bro,
just
I'm
like
just as competitive as you are.
Right.
But the thing is, I can talk it and win it. That's the same thing. The
You
thing
hear
is, I
the
can
shit?
talk
You hear the
and
shit?
win at the
This
same
man-
time. And while I'm beating you, I'm talking to you. I'm just.
Is this
I'm
I show
like,
speed?
I am
No,
like
no,
that,
wait.
brother. I'm like that.
You know who this is? You know who you remind me of? This will be like when Tyson Gates to go against Usain
Usain
Bolt.
Bolt.
I like you're saying, but
Yes, true.
stop it, bro. Don't.
You and Tyson have the same
He's
confidence.
never seen me run. He's never seen me
Listen,
do
this
any
dude is
physical
not no
activity.
damn
But he's
Usain
making
Bolt.
all these claims out of thin air.
This dude is not no damn Usain Bolt. God, we are lucky to see him even get to a mile. All right.
no,
That's
you
all I
go
gotta
to the
say.
gym, right?
I
You
go to the gym. I play
Padel.
paddle. Yeah. No, you're not helping my case saying that.
You play soccer.
Yeah, football. Not to mention, Ray cannot kick a ball.
Straight from the horse's mouth.
The fact that you proud to say that.
I can.
Guys, and to those that are listening, this fool tried to say that a football player is the most athletic. Is the most athletic sport. You have to be the most athletic to play football.
That's what people do say.
Yeah.
That
You have to
is
run. You have to be able
false.
to do sprints,
That
and then
is
also do
false.
endurance running between the
Listen,
fields.
American football, you have to do
Bro,
more
American
than that.
football?
American football.
American
You
football.
are running into
American
each other.
football. Listen, you know how. Listen, these dudes are giants running
But they're
faster than you and I.
No, they're not.
Yes, they are. They're faster than you.
But what,
Some of them are fast,
They're
but then also
faster
some of
than
it
you.
is just like
They're faster than you, bro. They are fit. They're putting up like 500 in the gym, squatting.
so am I.
Stop it! Don't cap on this show. There's
I
no
can- I
capping
can-
on this show. Listen,
I can squat 500.
you cannot squat no 500. You're capping on your own show.
You know Chequing feel good?
Chuck, yeah, they're
What
athletic.
was the name of this guy who used to run with Justin Gatlin? Was it Sean Crawford?
Sean
He
Crawford.
used to play football.
Sean Crawford. Yeah, Sean Crawford.
Gatlin started out playing football.
Yeah,
too.
Sean Crawford. Sean Crawford.
Yeah.
He's athletic. Are you trying to tell me more football players are more athletic than him?
No, but you can't. All right, if we're going
Come
to
on, bro.
hold on, Ray. Let's analyze this not with the person that is at the top, but the average footballer
Okay.
and the
Yeah.
average American footballer.
Okay,
That's
this
the
is-
only way to do it. And
Alright,
the average American footballer does not even run that much.
Yeah.
How many of them actually run on the field?
Okay, they're sprinting. They're not
How,
running.
okay, how many of them actually sprint on the field?
Well, I would say like 60%.
No.
60%
I
of my
just see a
sprinters.
lot of guys waiting to jump on each other.
Yeah.
Bro, why do you gotta break it down like that, dog? Like you know,
That's essentially
right?
that's
Not
most
they're
of the
not
sport.
a bunch of
They're-
dudes jumping on each other.
I agree, and I think like the running back.
She's from Boston. She
She's
doesn't know anything.
American.
Huh? What do you say?
Listen, brother, American football players are the most athletic. And I would say basketball is after that.
I would
They
say
have to
basketball is
jump.
more athletic than the American footballers.
Yeah.
That is a debate. That is a debate.
That is
I'm
not a
I'm
debate.
I'm not because I've seen guys like Deion Sanders, Bo Jackson that play multiple sports. Footballers cannot do that.
But
Soccer players cannot do that, bro.
why can't they do it? A lot
They
of soccer
can-
players can play basketball, but
They cannot play basketball. I've seen soccer players play. They can't play basketball like that, bro. Go ahead.
All right, the examples that you just named, you said that footballers can't go to other sports, right? I don't think it's about ability. It would be more about skill set. because football is a different skill set than playing basketball
Yeah.
or American football, for example.
And you're training
But
different
physicality,
muscles
if we're
too.
talking about physicality, they match them rare. And then we'll beat them. The average, then we'll beat them rare. Listen to me.
Bro, the average American footballer is 300 pounds. Like, where is he? He's not.
No.
He's fat. The man
Yeah.
is faster than you. I will put my life.
No, he can, wait. He's an elite athlete. He's gonna be faster than me, who is an average man. But he's not gonna be faster than an average football player.
He's 100 pounds.
Yes, but he's
More
not
than
gonna
his-
be faster than
Vain.
a average footballer playing for Real
Only
Murcia.
If you're talking about speed, all right, soccer has it. What about jumping? What about power?
Have you seen
What
soccer
about
players
that?
jump and head a
They don't
ball?
jump high.
Have
They
you
don't
seen
They
them?
do not jump
They do
higher than basketball
Have you seen
players.
them like
Are
throw
you
themselves in the
crazy?
air?
Wait.
crazy?
Again. You're looking at the
Are
elite
you crazy?
a
Guys,
basketball
we're not
player.
gonna
The
argue
average
this.
basketball player is
You're
6
going
foot
to
what, 5.
lose. You're
Is
gonna-
6
the
foot 5
comments are gonna
versus.
come after you.
Come on, bro.
The comments are going to come after
Bro,
you,
bro,
Dwayne.
come on.
The comments are going. You're gonna
Hold
don't.
on.
please do not
Wait.
sit-
Give us a chance to talk now, please.
go ahead.
Give us a chance to talk now, please. Ray, wait. I apologize. This is supposed to be
No,
your
me no
episode.
lie, yeah, no.
2 more minutes on this. 2 more minutes on this. 2 more minutes, Ray. You've had your speech. You're analyzing this based on what makes each sport great. A basketballer is going to have obviously be the highest jumpers because they're taller. A football player, American football player, is going to have more physicality because he's bigger. But when we combine all of those things, a football player
Soccer.
is better in terms of their physicality. And we are leaving. It's not my favorite sport. Cricket is my
Cricket?
Your favorite sport is cricket?
Don't him know. He's finished.
Guys, you heard it here. This man is a cricket player. He
Football?
likes
I used to play cricket.
He likes cricket. Therefore, he cannot make a judgment. I don't hear nothing that comes out of this man's mouth.
What's wrong with
because he
cricket?
likes. You can't. I can't. We can't talk.
What's
sports.
wrong with cricket?
We cannot talk sports.
What's wrong with
We
cricket?
cannot talk sports.
Cricket is better than even your American pastime baseball.
No, it's not. Look at this. Yeah, and he's trying to hold a straight face. He doesn't believe that himself.
She's from Boston and she's not even saying much.
Red Sox
I've never
suck.
seen cricket.
Oh,
Hey,
what?
It's not-
Oh,
it's-
okay.
it's a good
Yeah.
experience.
It's the experience. Nobody wants to go there. Anyway,
Have you watched cricket?
no, I would go to sleep, Devane.
Have you watched it?
No.
Have you tried playing it? So you're making your decision and you've not even
Devane.
tried it. You're just like,
Nobody-
oh, cricket is boring because
Devane,
everyone says it's
we
boring.
want you to-
You've not experienced
Devane,
it.
we want
I've
you to
played American football.
Devane,
At least I've tried it.
sir.
And I've watched a few games. So I have something to compare with.
Sir.
You're coming from, oh, it's cricket. It's boring.
Sir, we want you to stop this
You know
madness.
cricket has more fans than
Stop
American football?
this madness.
Do you know that?
I don't care. The world
Cricket
is
is
lied.
on-
We've been lied to.
And more money as well.
We've been lied to. That's why.
Why?
We've been lied to that cricket's an actual sport.
Why? You know that more
Brother.
cricket has more fans than American football?
I don't know why. Why?
India.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Australia.
Just like there's more
Australia.
ants than there's animals.
Australia.
Just like there's more ants.
The what-
All right,
yeah.
so that okay, because of the people. But anyway, cricket is garbage, bro. Let it go.
Ray,
This is where I take the mic from you, Ray. I'm sorry.
because he's
Let me take
making
this
his
mic.
analysis out of, he's pulling that out of thin fucking air. But, you know what? All right, we're going into the focus of today's episode now, please.
Let us get into
Please,
the vegetable
Ray,
of
you're
the
supposed
matter.
you know what the funny thing is? Ray was supposed to be producing this episode. You're fired.
Oh. Oh no.
But yeah, so today, people, we're here for 10 years apart. Gen Z versus the millennial.
02
Yes.
versus
92. 92, I feel like is the best year to have been born in the 90s.
No. It's a lie. That's a lie. 95.
You ever hear people say, oh, 90s babies? Like,
Yeah.
You feel like there's an
that's 10
entire...
years though.
That's an entire cult, but I never hear 2000s babies or anything like that.
02 is the best year for 2000s.
What was I doing in 02?
I was watching the World Cup. I remember the World Cup finals. I watched it, the Brazil versus Germany when Ronaldo destroyed Germany. In
Germany or
2002.
Italy? I think that was Italy, bro.
No, 2006 was Italy and France.
Yeah.
Brazil got destroyed by France in the semifinals.
Yeah.
Was it?
02.
Quarterfinals.
02, I was in high school.
High
I was
school,
in,
you
I
were
was in
10.
primary.
I was going to high school in 02, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I started high school at
High school?
11.
Yeah,
Started
most
high
of us,
Secondary
most of
school.
us,
Yeah.
most of us start high school at 11. I
Yeah.
started, I started the school year at 10,
Mhm.
and by the middle of the school year, I would turn 11.
Yeah.
So when did you graduate? Like
2012.
secondary school?
But we go we do like the British system.
Yeah,
so
so we do
5 years in
A-levels.
high school, and then you go 2 years in sixth form, lower and upper sixth form.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then you go to college at like 17, 18. So I went into college
Yeah.
like around 17 and a half.
So
What?
Yeah.
College,
High
not
school,
university.
university,
college.
university, yeah.
Davian,
Yeah.
you enter university when you was 17?
I did
And a
too.
half, 17 and a half, yeah.
Oh yeah, let me check something.
Yeah, because I started
I
school
want them
1 year
maths
early,
bad.
bro.
Because you were smart.
Whatever maths
You were a
bad.
smart young one.
No, I was born. I'm born at the right time.
I think me they
I
enter
was
when me at
actually very
18.
smart.
I think, yeah.
Was smart. Was. Yeah. So I want to play a game. First thing I want to do is Florida Man. We haven't played Florida Man in a while. Florida Man, for those who don't know, is when we have a guest on, we check your birthday, and when there is going to be a crazy story that has happened in Florida during that
On
period
that
of
day.
time, on that day. So if you could tell me your birthday, Gabriella. If
Ok.
you don't want to say it on camera, you can just
It's okay.
uh,
October 24th, 02.
24th. Sorry, big fingers.
Small phone.
Yeah, you know what? They need to fix that. Florida Man.
Florida's a scary place, so
Nah, I don't think Florida is
Your
scary.
mom lives there?
I think certain
it's a
places.
lawless land.
You think so?
I think so much crazy stuff happens.
Okay.
there.
Okay. Florida Man birthday.
It's beautiful sometimes. Marco Island, gorgeous.
Oh wow.
Oh no.
Wow.
Something good happened.
No, nothing's good's ever gonna
Ah.
happen for Florida. Florida Man October 4th. A Florida man set fire to several homes and a statue of Jesus, but was soon caught off guard.
Jeez.
The incident took place in Beverly Hills, Florida.
Today's Sunday.
Today's Sunday as well. But let me see if I can get another one for you. Florida man sentenced to
For
road
road
rage.
rage. Slang.
Road rage.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Not bad. All right. So, and jump into the next game. The alphabet game.
The alphabet game. So this is a game where we will try to give the most famous person with that letter, and we're using the alphabet from A to Z.
Okay.
Yeah? We're
Okay.
starting from A again.
I think you should pick random letters so we don't have it.
So we have a random letter generator. Okay.
You just pick it, bro. I trust you. You trust him?
Yeah, but I also, you love a good generator.
Yeah.
'Cause then it
yeah,
feels-
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Then it feels more random
It is
and like.
more random. Yeah, yeah,
More
yeah.
random than him just picking from 26 letters.
But like, what would the first letter be you picked?
Probably D.
Biased. Why?
For debate. For
Exactly.
debate. D for debate.
Exactly.
What the
Brain.
fuck? Valid.
Brain.
Valid. Fuck.
D for
All
the
right.
brain. What would be the first letter you pick?
G. That's why there's a generator out there,
Okay.
so then it's not.
All right, so I'm going to click it 3 times, and the first letter that comes out will be the letter. All right, so
All right.
1, 2, 3. B. All right, let's go. So B.
Barack Obama.
Bethany Hamilton.
What the fuck's that?
She's-
What?
She's the She's the surfer in Hawaii who got her arm bit off by a shark.
Ooh. She's it.
Who's that? Who's yeah.
I don't watch Survivor.
B.
I think I got the point there easily. Barack Obama.
I didn't understand the game. I'm sorry. I thought I don't know what I said. I understand it now.
Oh.
I didn't know if you were describing somebody.
No.
No, you name the most famous person with the letter that
Okay.
starts their name.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. No, I get it.
Yeah. First to 5 wins.
So Barack Obama is the winning answer.
Mhm.
Most popular answer. All right. Next one. Letter V.
Venus Williams.
Ooh.
Mm. That's so hard. I don't know. Vincent something.
If she ever said that name,
It's close.
listen,
it's
yes.
close,
If you
it's
ever said that
close.
name,
It's
do you know which
close.
name I'm talking about?
The driver.
Family.
Vince.
No.
Yo, I think we have a time limit now. Because she got hints. Family. I'm all about family.
No, this is like Fast and Furious, no?
Yes. You know it. No.
Vinny.
Hey.
Vince Steeler.
Let's say it for her, Davian.
Vin
Diesel.
Vin Diesel.
I'm so.
You know what? By the fact that she couldn't recall his name, even if she did get his name, I would have probably won. Because she knows Venus Williams, right? You know Venus Williams, right? Your generation know Venus, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. All right, next letter, Tony.
Okay, next letter is the letter.
What's his name? Vin Diesel.
Vin Diesel, yeah.
Okay.
The
now,
bald
now.
guy. He's
Yeah.
always saying
No.
something.
Now it. Was he in the
Alright.
pacifier?
I think it's either him or it was
wasn't
Arnold
him, it wasn't him,
Schwarzenegger.
It wasn't him. The pacifier?
Yeah, is him.
Yeah.
I think
It's
so.
Vin Diesel.
I think
Yeah.
so. I think so. Someone in the comments will let us know.
Yes. All right, so the next letter is the letter U.
You. Wow. This one's tough.
Uma Thurman.
Sorry?
She's an actress. Uma Thurman.
Oh, yeah, she's an actress.
David.
You notice no one's helping me? No one's helping me.
You're winning.
No one's helping me.
Uncle Sam.
Oh my god.
No, David.
Oh no, give me this you're distracting. Let me think. You said Uma Thurman.
Yes.
Uncle. Well on no one.
Yo, Davian.
Mhm.
Look na man.
What the fuck? Yeah, but that's not his first name, bro. That's
Yes,
not his
it
first
is.
That's not his first name. That's not his first name. That's his last name. It is his last name. They're talking about Dr. Umar, but that's his last name.
No, the man name is Dr. Umar Johnson.
No, that's not his real name either. He's like Ray's like two white girls, snow bunnies. He's like no, snow bunnies, no.
Oh, God.
Dr. Umar. That's
Is that then too?
Dr. Umar. Dr.
Oh my
Umar.
God.
Dr. Umar.
That doesn't count. So
Yeah. Yeah.
You have to forfeit then, Davian.
Well, no, why not? Give me. You gave her time. Give
no,
me
this
time.
is, you had like wait.
Ah,
Usain Bolt.
Jesus Christ. Jesus fucking
Davian,
Christ.
your passport has officially been revoked. Revoked, Davian. You are no longer a Jamaican citizen, Davian. Davian, this is incredible.
You know what?
This
Shut the
is
fuck-
incredible.
You shut up because you said Dr. Umar. You didn't even think of it. You
No.
Yes.
That was the first name that came to my mind, but not the only name.
No. If that was the first name, you would be signaling like this. You were signaling the no snow bunny signal. That's what you were giving, not the running signal. Yeah, Ray, you too. You have a Jamaican
Oh my
passport.
God.
We're confiscating that one too.
Listen,
This is not good.
no, this is his fault.
My fault.
Yes.
You deserve this point.
Yes.
2-1. All right, let's go.
You got
Let's
that
go.
point, of course. Wow, Usain Bolt.
Jesus,
Usain
Almighty Father,
Bolt.
I'm deleting this part.
Okay. The next letter is the letter L.
Lance Armstrong.
Okay.
Nah.
Yeah.
Lady Gaga.
Ooh. Lance Armstrong, Lady Gaga. One known in the music world, one known in the sport world, but I think Lady Gaga is more popular. You have kids in Spain who sing Lady Gaga.
No.
Navian? So it's 2-2.
Let's go.
The next letter is the letter K.
Kim Kardashian.
I can't beat that.
You can.
Kanye West.
You know what? It might be Kanye.
It might be Kim too.
It might be Kim too. That might be a draw. That might be a draw. They cancel each other out.
They cancel
Yeah.
each other out because they
Yeah.
were married to a year, so you know one. All right. Second best for K then.
Kim might have no.
Okay. Next letter is the letter F.
Frank Sinatra.
Ooh.
Ooh, no, you got somebody better than that.
Frank Sinatra. Franklin D. Roosevelt.
Are you serious?
Ah,
No.
Davian.
He's the
Davian.
prince. He's the prince.
Nobody
Okay.
cares about him.
Okay.
Nobody.
Whoa! Whoa!
Did so much for infrastructure.
Jesus.
Care for the brothers. Yeah.
All right. Real one. 50 Cent.
What's his name again?
That's the number.
No, but it's that C.
It's
That's
the
C,
number.
not K.
It's
Curtis
the number.
Jackson is C.
It's F. 50 Cent. That's his state. She said Lady Gaga. She won with Lady Gaga.
Yeah, but 50 Cent is 50.
How do you spell 50?
What, but his name,
How do
if
you
you
spell
don't
50?
qualify,
How
it's
do
the
you-
number
How
5.
do you spell 50?
No.
How do you
Well,
spell
no.
50?
All right, Davian. I understand what you're saying because Lady Gaga, she has a real name. Yes.
Yeah, but a singer, yes. But 50 Cent is quite literally 50.
How do you spell 50?
It's his name, Fifty
He's
Cent.
an actor. He goes by Curtis 50 Cent Jackson.
Yeah.
What is? How do you spell 50? That's my question.
Use the C, Davian.
How
No,
do you
there's
spell-
There's no F. There's no F, Davian. I'm
All
sorry.
right, take it.
So,
3-2.
how much points is that? 3-2.
3-2. First to 5. Let's go.
All right, let's go.
You stole
Next
that.
letter is the letter T.
Tyra Banks.
Tyra Banks. Okay.
Tyra Banks.
You guys are only naming American figures. You know that, right?
I feel like that's what I'm trying to get
Leave
out
America
of.
now, man. Go to Europe and Africa and these places.
Thomas Jefferson.
Oh my.
Yeah. Wait.
Because he's the one for, like, he's the president known for, like, getting the president.
Thomas Jefferson.
I'm sorry for my political views.
You learn about this guy through history. Tyra Banks. Yeah, she's popular.
America's
but
Top Model.
They're not gonna be teaching about her. I'll take Tommy Jefferson. I don't know why I'm going presidents. My brain is just going there. All right, let's go.
Next letter, I keep getting F. All right. You guys might be shocked. So this next letter is the letter X.
I
X.
literally knew it was going to be X.
X.
Oh, I got
XXX Tentacion.
Okay.
Jesus
The rapper.
R.I.P.
That's tough. That was tough. That letter.
No, I have a name, but
You think Malcolm X, but it don't start with X. That I do.
no, not Malcolm.
Xander, Xavier. I'm just thinking of names with X. Xander Cage. It's Vin
Xander
Diesel.
No, but you can't be naming names, Davin, and not calling
Well,
one.
I'm thinking out loud,
No,
bro.
that's not allowed.
Okay.
That's not allowed.
Okay. All right. X, 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 X.
Oh, I have one. Like,
Yeah, but-
I don't think you'll watch it in the state.
X, 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 that's Tentacion.
This.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, I understood. But I don't know.
We did.
Yo.
You know, I yield.
You yield.
I can't think of one.
All right, so that's 4-2
Who was that?
now.
Who was exhibit, but it doesn't.
Did
Oh
my
yeah, because
right.
it's spelled with X, not the E. Yeah, you would have beat the XXX Tentacion.
So that's 4-2.
4-2. Boom.
Let's even end the match now.
Today's not my day, people.
Okay, so the last letter possibly is the letter R.
R.
Ronaldo.
Ooh.
Oh.
No, there are names. There are people.
Mm, No, that's just
That's the thing. When you get a good guess, it puts you in such a disadvantage.
It's over. Nah, there's no way.
Oh my God.
I'm thinking of one person, but he's not even come close.
Who?
Yeah, no.
Ray
that guy, no.
Lewis. Ray Charles.
Booyaka,
Ray
booyaka.
Charles. Ray Charles.
Yeah.
I already knew.
No.
I was out that round.
No.
Who?
No. The wrestler? No. Yeah.
Rey Mysterio.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was over before.
That was over.
All right, so
before.
now it's 4-3.
Let's go.
The comeback is on.
That couldn't be me. I'm sorry.
All right, this letter is Q.
Queen Latifah.
Queen Elizabeth, Queen Latifah.
Well,
Elizabeth, I would say.
when's that?
Elizabeth.
No.
Yeah.
Who's more popular? The Queen is probably one of the most known,
Her name isn't Queen.
but it's in her title.
Wait.
She
True,
said Queen
true,
Latifah.
true.
Her
That's
name-
a stage name as
No,
well.
that's her name.
That's a stage name.
You said 50 Cent.
And I didn't get it.
No.
If we go back, I didn't get the 50 cent point. Yeah.
Bombo class. So we tie.
All right, let's go.
Bombo class. This is the last one of the round.
I think I said Quincy Jones.
Queen
Popular.
Elizabeth.
Quincy Jones, popular for those who listen music, but outside.
He's over Queen Latifah too.
Yeah.
Not with popularity, because he's more in the background of music,
Ah,
bro.
well.
He's not in the foreground of music. Yeah, but as I'm saying, he's more of a background person, not popular person.
Wow, so we have a tie, people, and this is the final letter. Look at the final letter, Ray.
I'm scared.
This is letter W.
Wow.
If you the name that you call is the final name.
Okay.
I don't want to hear any muttering.
Bro.
Don't mutter any
Bro,
names.
It's easy. It's easy.
The thing is, I have a name, but I don't want to say.
That's the one I thought about too.
All right. My name is ready.
Bro.
Wait.
Bro.
My name is ready.
Wait, hold on.
Whisper it.
Before you think
Whisper
of
it. Whisper it.
Oh, but
Yeah,
wait, say it?
no, my name is ready. What's your name? My name is
Whisper it,
ready.
whisper it.
No, Ray, I heard that, and that's my name, bro. My name is ready.
So is mine.
What's your name?
Well, why would I say mine first?
Okay, say it's 3, 2,
1.
Walt Disney.
Oh, so both of them got it. Wow.
Do we
Will
go
I
down the
am.
No,
I was
another
gonna
okay,
go Will
another
Smith
name then.
next.
I said Will I am next.
Will Smith clears him. Will Smith
That's
clears
not the
him.
tiebreaker.
Tiebreaker. Next tiebreaker.
Tiebreaker. All right. Okay, the letter J.
Jerry Springer.
I'm sure you can do better than that.
Okay.
David.
I'll go. What do you mean?
He's good, but he wasn't. Nah.
Globally?
No.
James Franco.
Who?
James Franco.
James Franco.
Come, Jerry? No one's screaming James. What they're screaming Jerry.
Nobody's screaming Jerry.
Jerry.
Yeah, because he has a show. He has a show where he walks out and it's like Jerry.
All right. We'll leave it to the people to decide who won this one.
That's Franco's son.
But the thing is now,
He's
all
not
right,
even the most.
who is James Franco? I don't know James
He's an-
Franco.
He's an actor.
Oh wow. Point.
He's
over.
an actor.
But he's in Pineapple Express. He's in.
Yeah, he's a great actor.
Is he the stocky guy?
So
No.
that might be a tie. Then. I can't give that.
Grace.
Springer's that. I can't.
I know Franco, I don't know Springer.
Oh, that's the age difference now.
The age difference.
I was gonna say Justin Jefferson.
Who?
Justin Bieber.
Justin Timberlake.
Well.
You go Justin. I go Justin.
Listen, we go for Justin, but it's Bieber.
Whoa, no, don't do
It's
that.
Justin
No. Timberlake.
Over
No,
Justin
yeah,
Bieber?
yeah.
I hate to admit it, but it's the truth.
Yeah,
It
true.
is the truth.
True.
I think Timberlake is better.
But Bieber has
Bieber more popular.
more popular.
Even the way how he came about being an artist.
And I think he has 1 billion on the stream. Despacito, right?
Yeah. Oh, huh. Yeah, yeah.
Highest
Have you
stream
ever heard
songs.
Baby?
That's $1 million. That's $1 billion on YouTube.
Or what?
Okay, okay.
It's over.
What do you mean? That's like one of his top songs.
Good game. Good game. Good game. Good game. Yeah, he's the mo. You.
Unfortunately, Justin Bieber is over.
No, hey, I'm rooting for my girls.
I thought you were rooting for whoever won, but okay. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. All right, you guys, your questions, Ray. What were your questions? Gen Z versus the old D.
I don't have questions, but I have some prompts.
All right, what are your prompts? Go on, feet on you.
All right, I'll give you one. Gen Zs don't believe in hard work. They like to cut corners. They prefer to cut corners. No, I took the time to get to know you before I attacked you. Isn't that fair?
You saw that girl fight to the end for Justin Bieber right there. That's
Yes.
hard work.
Thank you.
And she
Yes.
just ran a 10K, bro.
She's
and she wants to
fighting.
run a marathon and a Iron Man. You said that?
That's
No.
your first one. That's your opener.
That's the
Listen.
first prompt.
Yes. Let's start heavy.
Okay, well, I don't even know if it's a whole generation thing. It's very individual too. Like, I don't like hard work, being just complacent and just barely living life and stuff like that. Like me personally, I moved to Spain at 21. Like, there's hard work in that. But then some people graduate college. Mom or dad knows somebody that can get them a job interview. They get the job. They have their 9 to 5 post grad, and then that's it. Like there was no. I mean, going to college can be hard. Yeah.
So you're saying to me that you guys took the same route as us, the millennials, then?
What's your route?
Bro, Tony. All right. For me, I think that prompt is incorrect.
Wait.
No,
Alright, no.
I'm the oldie
Now,
here,
before you start, and I should have said this before I started. These prompts they aren't necessarily my opinion.
Okay.
I've collected a lot of thoughts from different people too
Okay.
to
Fair
get
enough.
these prompts. Yeah,
Mm.
Fair enough.
yeah.
I think she's totally right to some extent. I do feel that it's not that they don't work as hard. I just think they're living a different life compared to us. Just like how my parents used to tell me, I used to have to walk 10 miles to get to school. Now you're taking the bus to school. It's just perspective.
Same. Yeah.
Like we have more luxuries and they will have more luxuries. And when I have children, I don't want them to live the life that I live. I want them to have an easier life. I
Yeah.
want them to go through it a lot easier with more, I would say, less challenges, bro. Like, and I'm pretty sure if she has kids in the future, her challenges, she's not gonna want to pass them down as well.
Yeah,
You want your
exactly.
kid to live
Fair,
different.
fair.
But I do understand that there's people looking down on it from their lens and not seeing how they see the world. Then they can come to that conclusion that these kids aren't working as hard as they did. Just because I had to walk 10 miles to get to somewhere and you don't have to do it anymore doesn't mean that you're still not going to that same place and doing what you have to do there, you know?
Yeah. Exactly. Definitely perspective, and like my future kids too.
Mm-hmm.
There's some battles you can help them not have to see, but also you want them to be hardworking. You want them to do hard things and not think life is easy and rainbows and all of that. Like there's challenges. There's definitely challenges, and there's ways to overcome them. There's ways to avoid them, which isn't necessarily crossing or cutting corners. It's just adapting better to like this day and age.
Yeah. And you have to make use of opportunity. Why would I want to apply an old age solution to a new problem that I'm experiencing now?
Yeah.
People used to code on computers, bro. That used to be hard. Now you have ChatGPT to do the coding for you. You're gonna tell a man to spend 20 hours coding when he can do the work in 2 hours with
Yeah.
ChatGPT? That's how I see it as well.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ray.
Ray, your prompt.
Yo, so I got a question for y'all. This is mostly for Gen Z. All right, so is Gen Z actually more self-aware in love or just more afraid of being hurt?
Hold on. Repeat that, please.
Oh.
And louder.
All right. Is Gen Z actually more self-aware in love, or just more afraid of being hurt?
Did you think of that yourself?
Not really.
That was
Oh,
Chat
okay.
GPT, bro.
Okay.
That was Chat GPT.
That's a good question, though. Um, I think the dating scene nowadays is grim. I think people are scared to put themselves out there. Because the media, there's so much false, like Instagram, faced, like editing pictures, reality versus what's fake. So people are scared to be their true authentic selves, and then nowadays there's situationships and hookups and all of that, but people really fear relationships. Like my personal experience is just you're scared to put yourself out there because you're scared of getting hurt. And like sometimes it's like there's other things I could be doing with my time. Like I like to craft. I like to, just take life slow, go for runs, do all of that stuff. And sometimes it's like, well, you do have time. Relationships are a time investment too. And then if it goes wrong, it's you in your head immediately. It's like, that was such a waste of my time. I definitely think you learn a lot of things from relationships, so it's never a waste of time. But you're scared, so now it's kind of just, I'm just going to keep myself in this shell until it finds me. And I don't know. You never know what that's going to happen.
How's that going for you? Like, if I'm not getting too personal, like dealing with the dating world as it is now.
I just kind of taken a step back. I don't think it's because I'm afraid of getting hurt. I know sometimes it's inevitable, like it will happen, maybe. But I think I want to be the best version of myself. So there's like no dating apps, no nothing, like hanging out with my friends, doing what makes me happy and feel at peace, because I think that's my best self to when I finally find somebody.
So you're taking not the new age approach, you're taking the parental approach, like my kind of approach in a certain sense. Like, I feel dating apps ruined the entire relationship culture of the world.
Yeah.
That's ruined everything as we know it. But luckily, we can still go to a bar and meet somebody.
True.
We can still go to the post office and meet somebody.
Go play pool, meet somebody. It's just
go-
putting yourself out there, not being afraid,
Yeah.
which is hard. It is hard, but
I do also, to piggyback off Ray's question a bit, where I don't think it's that they're more self-aware per se, bro. It's more, they just have more options, and the relationship aren't viewed the same way anymore. Relationship are no longer being seen as, oh, you get you go to college, you graduate, you get married, you have kids, straightforward like that.
yeah.
That entire perception has been gone, and there's people selling the opposite of that, where they're saying, hey, you don't need a man, you
that's
don't
also
need
the
a
problem,
woman.
though.
Yeah.
Is people being like, there's so many options out there, so then people are like, well, I'm just gonna keep waiting for the better one, and the better one, and the better one, and it's like, well, there's so many great people out there who aren't getting their chance because it's always, well, there might be somebody, a little bit taller, a little
Shuffling
bit,
the cards.
yeah.
Yeah, I've been guilty of that too. No, but we've all been out there in the scene, so we know what it's like. But I think you should pick the person that you feel that you can be most vulnerable with.
Your most authentic self.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying.
Okay, my next prompt. Millennials are the reason why the generations after millennials don't believe in God as much as them.
I think if we go back to 2000s, remember when everyone thought God was coming in 2000? You weren't born yet. But essentially in 1999, New Year's Eve, everyone thought the world was going to end.
Same thing with 2012. I don't know if it was
Yes, it was 2012.
Mesopotamia or
Yeah.
that.
No, the
but-
Mayan calendar ended.
Yeah.
Yep.
But for 2000, it was bigger than 2012.
Yes.
Oh.
Everyone was getting their last ones in, everything. Everyone was like, even if you didn't believe it, it's like you just got caught up in the whole commotion that
And
the
it
world
felt
is
a
going
bit
to end,
important.
you know?
Something you
And
couldn't ignore.
I know this probably has nothing to do with it, but that might have been where people like, oh, God didn't come that day, so ask God. Next thing is, now that we have the internet and communication, I believe the biggest threat to religion and believing in God is science and knowledge. So now
Yeah.
people are more exposed to that, so they're less likely to believe in it. Whereas once also it used to be embarrassing or sacrilegious or blasphemous to say that you don't believe in God. Nowadays, someone can openly say, "Hey, I don't believe in God," and people are like, "Okay,"
Yeah.
and move on. But back in my day, you're gonna get an exorcism.
Yeah.
You don't
Capital
be-
sin.
You have
if
like
you
red
get
A written on
Yeah.
you.
So there's a change, and I think more philosophical books are coming out that makes you think about God a little bit more as well.
These days.
Yes, and more content surrounding it, and more people,
There's
more celebrities saying that they don't believe in God, so
yeah,
that more
yeah.
people are like, oh, he doesn't believe in God, so let me
What
explore
that
this
road is
idea
like.
that
He's
God doesn't
successful and he doesn't
yeah.
believe.
But
But then you look at the other people who are also successful and they give all their glory to God.
Mhm.
and then there's also this factor when it comes to believing in God is religion has done so much harm to the world that people feel like if I didn't believe in God, maybe it would help the world a little bit better. Those are the things. And then
Yeah.
religion is also it's so freaking restrictive that it makes people not want to believe in God. Like even to question the idea of that God doesn't exist is seen as sacrilegious in some religions. And I don't believe you can know God if you've never questioned a belief in God. You know?
For sure, yeah. And there's so many different religions and sects of religions and just there's a small, it's like a big umbrella with tiny little things underneath it, and it's just
Yeah.
All right, so here's my prompt. Gen Z doesn't fear failure. They fear not being seen while trying.
You want to go first?
Gen Z doesn't fear failure. They fear not being seen while trying.
Yes.
Yeah. I mean, half the time it's, well, at least I tried. But it's that recognition, I think, of that you tried to do something, or, maybe you weren't successful, but at least you tried it. And then sometimes, especially in the corporate world and the work world, and especially in America too, like you get caught up in this work world, and everything you do, or every time you get talked to, it's about you doing something bad. And it's not, you're doing, it's like, well, good job on this. And it's not like you need the constant recognition, but it's when it feels like everything you do is wrong. Everything you do is a fail. And it's like, well, I'm trying. And that's the thing.
Yeah. I think personally, I think a lot of people cloud chase, and it happens to come a lot from the Gen Z.
Yeah.
And I think sometimes when you want to post something that's informational or something serious that you want the world to see, I think we're so used to cloud chasers. We're like, oh, maybe he's doing it for clout, and it's like, no, I'm trying to get people to see the post. So I wanted to ask that because we see a lot of cloud chasing now,
Yeah.
and I don't know. You question what is real and what is like fake, and a lot of things are informational. You question if it was actually valuable, or you question it if it actually is fake or not. So I had to ask.
I think the opposite though. I think they do fear failure more
Why?
because their failure is put on display a lot more. Once you could fail in secret, now if you fail, the world knows, bro.
Yeah.
You know, if you look at it from that way, like anything you try now, if you let's say we're trying this podcast thing, we have what 50,000 people following us on Facebook. That's 50,000 people gonna see us fail if we stop.
Facts.
Whereas if I was writing a newsletter, probably be like 50 people. Back in my day, bro. So it's like less people seeing your failure, and then we have also the entire generation where people are becoming less social as well.
Yes.
So that
Yeah.
also, that's like fear of relationships, fear of rejection.
Right.
You know, these
Which
are
I guess
all
is all
forms of
fear of feel of failure.
Yeah, because you're failed. Like, you have to fail a lot in order to succeed. Like, you have to go up to 10 girls in a bar before you find
So
one that
you
says
don't
yes.
think so basically what you're saying is failure still overcomes clout chasing.
Overcome cloud chasing.
Because
I
think
think-
of how many people are clout chasing.
I think we live in a world where people at the top that have the clout, they don't really talk about their failures much, but I guarantee you they probably had more failures than wins. And if you really listen to them and talk to them, they'll be like, bro, you know, I tried 5 businesses and I lost all my parents' money, but then I got lucky with this one investment. And this is what you know me for. This is how I invented PayPal. This is how I invented Amazon. Like, you know, they failed at a lot of things. But now there's so much pressure on you to succeed at whatever you try. That
But
is
there's
crazy.
a pressure of you wanting to clout chase too.
No, that's also cloud
And
chasing.
look at
Cloud
the
chasing is
trolling that there's going on. Trolling as clout
wait.
chasing.
I think can you explain what the point you're trying to make when it comes to the cloud chasing? Because I thought we were talking about the fear of failure, but you thinking success comes with clout, or
No, I'm saying like do Gen Z do they care more about failing or being in the moment? That was the question.
fear? Do they care more about failing or being in the moment?
Yes.
I think if we look at it that way, I would say they're more in the moment people.
In the moment. Yeah, that's
Because the people think the world is gonna end,
hold
climate
on.
change, all that shit.
Hold on, let me see. Let me see
No,
if I
bro,
follow this argument. When you say in the moment, you mean like, all right, when you say failure, you mean like at the end of everything I failed this, right? I tried and I failed, and you're trying to say like in the moment, meaning if it's going good, it's going good. If it's going bad, then it will
You
get
mean
better.
like living your life? Like,
Yeah.
Yeah, like moving on, looking ahead, not saying, "Oh, I failed," and you stay on it. If it's going good, it's good. If not, then I'll try to make it better.
Or I'm saying it like this. I'm saying it kind of like this. Like, I'm doing something I need to be seen right now. That's what I mean.
Oh, you mean
That's
like,
what I mean.
You're saying like, I don't think that's failure. It's more like that they want more
They
attention.
want
attention. Are you talking about like
Attention.
social media?
Yeah, that's what I
attention.
mean.
Ah,
Yeah, that was the question,
No,
y'all.
bro, that's
Totally-
I did that from the question.
Yo, totally-
No one got that from the question, bro.
Misinterpreting the question.
Yeah.
Do we
like-
live in the moment more, or do we focus on social media?
Ah, yes, that was my question.
No.
My question was, do they care more about failure or do they care about more being in the moment?
Do
But failure is a broad thing, bro.
Yeah.
They
Oh my
interpret it
God.
how they want, how they should have.
Well, I think it's a very mixed bag too, because I have this, like, you know, I live in Spain now. It's like, in this life, you have one life. It's like travel,
Yeah.
run, meet new people, experience new cultures, and all of that. And I personally constantly have this battle of, well, if I post on Instagram, does it seem like I'm rubbing it in and making it seem like I'm only doing this to show it off? And it's like, no, I like want to live my life. I want to share my life because I think some of the things I do are cool, and I want to share that with people. And I love when people are like, oh, I'm living vicariously through you.
So you question it before you put it on Instagram. You question what you're gonna.
Well, I don't want people to be like,
That is my point right there.
So you're saying,
see what
but
I'm saying?
everything you put out, bro, you question everything. Like, we crave validation. I think it comes down to seeking validation as well,
Yeah,
right?
I think that's a prerequisite of the use of social media.
Yeah.
and sometimes it is, I don't want validation. Like, I want to just put a picture of, I don't know, like me running a race. Not because I'm like, oh, I want people to be like, oh, she ran a race. She got like whatever. It's like,
Just you.
I just woke up and I'm proud of myself.
Yeah, but it does. I think it started out as that, where when it was social media, but now I think
Yeah.
it's more content media.
Yeah.
Whereas it's no longer for you to share things with your friends and family. It's for you to put things out there for a random guy on the internet to comment on that doesn't know you, doesn't know what you're going through. No.
Well, you know what my mom talks about? She's like, people don't post a lot of the negative things that happen in their life. And I'm like, it's just not normalized to be like, I don't know.
Damn, I
like,
broke my leg.
I sobbed
They
the
don't
other
know that they
day.
will post that. They will post that because they want the sympathy likes. They want the sympathy likes.
That's for clout. That's
Okay.
Okay. But like I ask you, when I was in college, I ran a half marathon. A day and a half before, I had a horrible stomach bug, but I still posted about my half marathon. Was I supposed to be like, by the way, I
got a stomach bug.
I got a stomach bug and I was down bad for the full day and a half before I ran this, but I did it. Here's my medal. Like, that seems a little bit too TMI to be like.
That's a personality thing there because a lot of people would be like, I ran this half marathon and I had a fucking stomach bug yesterday. You know, like, I ran 40 kms. I went to the gym after. And you expected me not to drop you? That's how some people approach it.
But then if you see that, what are you supposed to be like? Sorry about the stomach bug. Congrats. Like, that's also weird.
Real talk. You know what, Gabriella? You're not a Gen Z mind thinker. You're not thinking like Gen Z. Like, I love your reasoning. I love your reasoning.
True.
You can reason. I love your reasoning.
Thank
Mature,
you.
very mature.
Thank you.
Yeah, man, for real.
I'm going to try see if I can squeeze in 2 more prompts before the episode finish.
Yeah, man, run it.
All right, so I have 2 of them. All right, so millennials are better equipped for the world these days. 1, because they were around before technology came about, the internet and all of these things. And 2, they saw when it came about and they actually got the first look at it.
Better equipped. I would say they have a broader perspective.
She thinks no. Let's
Grace,
hear why.
Grace, say what I say.
Okay. Some questions. I'm Grace. I'm here for moral support for my girl, Gabriella. But I low-key don't like generation questions because I feel like you can't group a whole generation into, oh, everyone does this, everyone does this. Like, I know people in my life that are older and, like, they couldn't be, like, in Spain, like, the way I am. Not to, like, put myself on this high horse, but I just think it's, like, person to person. Like, talking about, like, being equipped for the world. Like, you could look at 10 people in our grade that could do it, and then 10 people who couldn't, and then same thing for millennials. I don't know. Just questions like that.
Fair enough. I think Grace just killed her entire episode. Dropping some
Gems.
Gen Z wisdom. No, Daniel, I wouldn't say they're better equipped. I think we have created the world that we live in now mostly. You know, the boomers and those people helped create it, and we've been living it a bit longer, so we're just surviving, but they're the future, bro. 10 years down the line.
I also think the question might just be like, what has technology done to the world, to generations? Like, also, we grew up without technology too. Like, not grew up. We went to college with computers. I got my first phone when I was 13, 14. And nowadays, kids are running around at like 8 years old. I think my nephew got one, like, you know, to walk home from school, but it's still like, like, I was at a playground sunrise to sunset when I was a kid. Like, technology had no impact. And nowadays, it's everywhere.
Valid point, bro. I don't even need to be here for this episode.
Yeah.
It's also like we all have phones now. We all have phones now, and like we all use like directions to like get around places and stuff like that. Like
Google Maps.
Gen Z, Millennial, Gen X, Gen Alpha, whatever. Like we all use that stuff. I don't know.
But I think nowadays, I'm so glad I graduated college before AI, because I used to tutor, and you see, and it's like, no, they didn't write this. And nowadays,
And that's where my next prompt is going.
I think kids, I can't sit down and just write something from their brain.
Wow. You just brought us to the next step, to my next prompt.
Final one.
It's
Part
about
2 will
imagination.
probably be up.
So generations after the millennials, they have less imagination. We're doing everything. We're just creating itself.
I think after Gen Z.
Yeah.
I think we still have imagination because we grew up without the technology, like coloring. Oh, oops. Doing all of that stuff. Like, I still enjoy that stuff today, because you can ask Grace, we'll have a movie night. I have a coloring book because I'm like, I don't want to be on my phone. I'm so used to having two screens in front of me, like even watching TikTok and watching TV. And I'm like, that is so much sound. Like my brain, it's overstimulation. And that's what kills creativity. And so nowadays when kids have their tablets, their little games, their movies, their, I don't know what else they have, like technological games, their creativity is out. Like, and you know, you ask them
they
to
use ChatGPT too.
they use ChatGPT, which kills creativity, imagination, ability to do stuff. Like try to sit down and write an essay without that. Or you know, I use it to like make questions too, but I would never sit down and be like, okay, write this essay for me, because that you're hurting yourself at that point.
Bad for the environment.
Yeah.
Water. You know, if you use ChatGPT, skip a shower.
Yeah, it's true.
But I don't wanna shit on these kids like you just did. Just kidding. Just kidding.
I still see bright. I still like, you know, some of my students, their drawings, their imagination, it's still there. But I think the problem here isn't the students. It's not us. It's not millennials. It's technology. It's
Yeah, but I think technology has always been a factor in human development. It's just the more advanced we get, it quicker it changes things. Because when the car came about, that was a technological advancement that changed the world.
great advance. But I think today we have things we don't need. Like, why do we have apps to Facetune your face?
To face to what?
To like, if you have like a zit on your face,
You can pop
you
that
can
out,
just like write out and do things like that. Like, we don't need that. You don't need that to survive. Like, cars significantly helped.
Yeah, but
you know,
but no, if you
transportation.
say all right, we don't need technology to survive, because we could go back to a point where we didn't have it and people were still alive. But the kind of life that they were living now is nowhere near the quality of life that we're living.
No.
So our quality of life has gotten better.
Yeah.
So wouldn't that be a better sacrifice? Like you sacrifice certain parts of humanity for a better quality of life, essentially, like medical care, connection with your family and friends. Like imagine 20 years ago, 30 years ago, 40 years ago, without WhatsApp and Facebook, Daniel, hurricane in Jamaica, we wouldn't have been able to know what happened to our family until we get a letter 3 months later.
Yeah, send a letter, a telegram.
Yeah.
So I think the kids are doing the best they can with the tools they have. It's just up to our generation to how we legislate the use of the technology so that they don't abuse it. And I feel like the billionaires out there, they don't care. They just want to make more money off it.
Yeah.
Because social media is good. Social media is bad.
Yeah.
But it's a tool. It's how you use it.
It's a tool.
Just ChatGPT, another tool.
Yeah.
You know? So I don't want to blame technology or the tool for the lack of creativity. I want to
No,
blame...
that is true. I think it's the misuse and the overuse. Like there's some... there's some things that are super nice, especially with medical, to be able to FaceTime our families and stuff. But I think there is some things that are just
obviously. Like I don't think we do need that app. Like you don't need an app to put a layer of makeup on your face.
Yeah.
You know, people, but we do use it to edit, so that's why the skin is going to be looking crisp when you face in this episode. You're gonna think I'm 22.
All right, so I have a question for both of y'all.
Last question.
Yes. What is your biggest fear about getting old?
My biggest fear, or like about getting old physically, or like, you know, being 50
in general.
Oh, wow. She points at me. She's like, you closer to 50. So you answer this one, bro. You know,
I got a little bit more time to think about that.
Yeah, you got a lot more time. Good question, Ray. I appreciate that question because it's something that I've been thinking about in the past few months as well. Like, my mortality is one of them, you know? Dealing with the fact that I'm closer to death than to life, possibly, you know? And my conclusion when it came to it is, which book was I reading, Tonil? I was reading a book and it was saying that don't spend your time living for the future and looking at the past, because then you're going in two directions, but you're not where you're at right now. So you're not living in the moment right now. You know that will come, and you know that your past has happened already, but you know you should be doing what you're doing right now. So for me, it's more like living in the moment. But my biggest fear of getting old is being in a situation where I can't wipe my ass anymore. being in a situation where the Viagra doesn't work anymore. Those are, like, I know it's so light, but going back to being a child essentially.
Yeah.
That's my biggest situation. And even something that a lot of people won't admit, being alone.
Yeah.
Being alone when you're old, that's more scarier than death. That's more scary than being disabled for me. That's scarier than not getting an erection. It's scarier to me. Like, it's scary just being alone. Like, loneliness, bro.
Yeah. I think I've been seeing a lot of things where it's like dance while you can, laugh while you can, listen to music while you can. And one of my biggest fears is, one, not being my full authentic self, because I think in high school, I was always so scared to just, just be yourself. It's so, society's so conforming sometimes. And I feel like I really came out of my shell, which makes me happy. And so I want to keep on finding who I am, like running, doing all this stuff. And I also want to like wander and get lost, travel and do all that stuff. Like, that's why I came to Spain, because I could not imagine graduating college, which is 4 years of just school, being there in the same spot, and then never leaving like the US and maybe traveling once a year to Florida or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
Like, I want to see new cultures and all of that. And if I died tomorrow, like, I'd be happy because I know I'm already still there.
Mm-hmm.
Like,
God forbid.
I'm still here, healthy, able to do these things. And I don't know, my fear too is to not be able to walk fast, swerve around people. Like, that's also a big fear of mine too.
Not the erection.
For me, no.
David. Stop.
All right, people. Thank you. Sorry, people. You don't know David is the immature one. You know? Thank you, everyone, for tuning in. Gabriella, thank you so much.
Thanks for having me.
Yes,
David
it was a
and
nice
I-
conversation.
I don't know how many months ago it was. In March, for the St. Patrick's Day, we did a fake podcast manifesting that I
This
would come
one?
on the podcast one day.
And you're on
And
the
here
podcast.
we
Here
are.
you are.
And here you are, dropping gems for people. You're gonna get fans now.
Well, thank you for oh my god. Thank you for having me. I was literally racing and I got a text from Devane being like, today at 1 p.m. And I was like,
You know what?
There.
You're a real
See,
one.
said
In the
you.
fucking moment. In the moment. And people, thank you for tuning in. And share, subscribe the Yardman podcast and all of them things there.
Walk
Oh,
good.
Yeah, welcome back to the Yardman podcast. We have Devane here, the number one Jamaican podcast in New Spain and the number one Jamaican podcast in Europe. And pretty much pretty soon the world. Today we have Gabriella. Gabriella from Boston, and she's here to be the first feminist on the podcast. She's here to defend all the women that needs defending. She's here to represent the women of the world.